We are walking along Thessaloniki city center to give you a very good idea about the nightlife. As you can see, right after the sunset, we start from the main central square and then move to the most vibrant areas. We have divided the tour into 9 sections, so keep watching until the end when we reach the most famous area. Join us as we take a walking tour from Aristotelous Square to the bustling Ladadika district, exploring the cafes, bars, restaurants, and taverns that make Thessaloniki's nightlife truly unforgettable. Remember to enable subtitles for the best viewing experience. This walking tour is divided into concise and informative sections. If you're interested in a specific section, feel free to skip ahead using the chapters we've created. This way, you can easily jump right to the spot you can't wait to see. Keep an eye on the lower third of the screen for the area names. That way, if you are visiting the city for a first time, you can Google the name of the area and find more information. Think of this video as your interactive map to Thessaloniki's nightlife. We'll guide you through each area, but feel free to explore further on your own. To keep things efficient, we won't be walking every single street. Instead, we'll be showcasing the most interesting nightlife areas to make the most of your time, trying to keep the tour relatively short. This historic city, Thessaloniki, Greece's vibrant and lively second city, comes alive with a nightlife scene that rivals any in Europe. From spring to fall, the weather is usually warm and ideal for sitting outdoors. Locals and tourists alike are settling in for a night of coffee, cocktails, or food and conversation. Some taverns, as you'll discover on this tour, even offer live music. Keep in mind that some clubs, particularly in Ladadika, tend to open later at night. We began this tour at dusk to capture the full spectrum of Thessaloniki's nightlife. We have more walking tours in Thessaloniki, and even aerial videos with practical info about what to visit in the city. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist which you can find in the description tab. This video was recorded with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in 10-bit and a stereo natural sound, so you can enjoy 4K on compatible devices. On our way to Upper Ladadika, we have a small favor to ask. We hope you will find this video useful. It takes detailed planning and a long time to record, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page bestravelvideo.com. Have you been there? Please share your impressions in the comments. We created this walking tour having you, the viewer, in mind. As we walk in the area in real time, this helps you see and understand how close or far away each point of interest is, and this helps plan your trip better. Let's keep going and discover more of the charm and excitement that Thessaloniki has to offer. If you have any further questions or need more information, please let us know. Stay tuned as we explore the rest of the area. But wait, there's more. Get ready to be dazzled. We haven't reached the legendary Ladadika district yet, home to Thessaloniki's wildest parties.
Estamos περιμένοντας.